share that sentiment that it's purple salt.
Yeah.
Go, Ev! Nice kick. Follow it up.
No.
I'm still really terrible for names. That's my worst part.
Yeah, well, I can't really help you much. I know Evan's
Where's Bora? Is he here? No. There's no Bora.
Go, go, go!
Well done. But it's really good because they're really listening. They're really listening, and the amount of stuff that Gustav knows is like miles beyond what I do.
Oh. No,
Which, so I'm learning a lot as well, you know.
Great.
Defenders, get back! So who's missing?
Mark T, Tillman, and Bora.
Bora, okay.
And I didn't hear from any of them that they would be missing, so, well, it happened.
Do you have your goalie jersey? Because they're missing one, if they've not got one. Oh, okay. They've got it.
Let's go,
I would have the same color, so.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm not sure which one's in there, actually. I have a red one in the car if we need it.
Or like inside out, you know.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that right there. In a little more.
Hamish, pay attention.
A little more.
How's Zeba? Good.
Move now.
Max, push up, Sam, push up.
Elliot.
Sam, push up.
Watch the ball.
Keep towards center, Sam, the play's on that side. Keep towards center.
Nice, Snowstorm!
Max. Come on,
Wait
push
for
up.
the whistle.
Benjamin, push up. Push way up. Push way up. Make him offside.
There you go.
Good throw.
Great throw in.
Good throw.
Move up, Ben. Keep on going, Ben.
Get out of there.
Good.
Excellent. Good stop, Hamish.
Down the line, Benji.
Down the line. Nice, Ben. Follow it.
Keep it up there!
Man on.
Good job.
Go, Evan!
Excellent.
Take it hard, Max.
Fala com o Marcos, tá impedido.
Go, Evan!
Get in.
I think Evans are super speedy this year.
Elliot, keep your eye on him.
Yeah, own goal. That was an own goal, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
that was an error.
Oops.
It was good.
Oops.
We'll take it.
That happened. I think we did that one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it didn't even have.
Woo, Matthew!
Nice, Matt.
Do we have snack? We don't have snack.
Who's on snack today?
I don't know. I didn't check the list.
I'll see if I can get it in my email. I have waters, but other than that,
Oh shoot.
I could send somebody to the store. Somebody screwed up.
I can go.
Oh, let me see if I can figure out real quick who it is, and if it's one of the people that hasn't showed up.
Wake up, guys. Get up, Nate. That's it. Down the line, Nate. Keep going. Keep your head up.
Good.
Good job, buddy.
Unfortunately, I can't do a search on that email.
It should be one from me. Because I think
No, it definitely is, but it's so old, though, it's probably not going to show up in my phone.
Right.
Hey, Ben, he can go behind you. That's all right.
Go, Mark.
Go, Evan! Go up!
God, they're playing much better this week.
Oh, no,
They're playing so good. Hamish, go!
Drop. Drop. Keep going. In the middle. it.
Good work.
Come on, Bench. Get back, Bench. Get back.
Nice hustle, Snowstorm.
Hustle back, Bench. Help out. Cut him off. Nice.
Good work, guys.
Back in defense. Great. It's a corner.
Hamish. Hamish.
Leave it there. Go back.
Remember and pay attention, okay? Keep your eye on the ball.
Evan, can't walk back. Help back. Come on.
Have you done
Evan, look at me.
No, I'm trying to find, see if it's in my email. I have waters. Do you want to just run down to the store? And
Yeah, I don't mind.
Get like Z-bars or and some maybe like fruit, some
You know where the
fruit.
nearest one is, right? The bottom of Truesdale?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay,
Okay,
thank you.
thanks.
It's better to have it over.
Right, so that's the next one. When I send out the email next time, I'll make sure that I remember.
Yeah.
But I think I'll send out one this week saying, look, if you're not going to be there, let us know.
It will, and that note has always been on the bottom of most of the emails.
Yeah.
I mean, please let us know if somebody's not going to make practice, not going to make the game. Get in there. Spread out, Benj. Benji, spread out.
Get ready, defense.
Play your position. Where's your position, Benj?
Go Evan.
Nice hustle.
Shoot it.
Shoot. Again.
Yeah, good job.
Nice.
Good game.
Yeah, I don't think I heard from anybody about it.
Yeah.
Did you?
No.
Good run, Evan. That's it.
And I think everyone was at practice.
Ready, defense?
Yeah,
Pretty
everyone
much.
was.
I think we had a full house. Good work.
This way.
Turn it out. Turn it out. Nice. Benji, put it upfield.
Go. Quick. Go, Benji. Kick it hard.
Nice. Follow it. Follow it. Good. Nice play, you guys.
Justin, nice second effort. Good job.
In front of him.
I need my cup of tea.
Also, I have like 5 cases of water in the car. So
Right, oh, that's good.
You know, I have 4 or 5 in my bag right now.
Push forward, Hamish.
Back, Matthew. Get back, Matthew. Come on, Matthew. Come on, Evan. Hamish, gotta get back.
Big kick forward. Well done.
Oh, man, they're good.
Get
There's
in
so
there,
much there.
Evan. Nice. Good job. Way to be there, Snowstorm.
Be careful about pushing, Gray.
Justin, bring it up. Bring it up. Then.
Hey, guys, look at all 4 of you here. Get out. Go.
Get back.
Hey, get in the game. Ready. Go. Good, man.
Come on.
Come on now, Evan. Don't.
I found it.
Okay.
Good, Maximilian.
Clear. Off.
Get back. Get back. Get back.
Go.
Keep going. Keep playing. Play the whistle.
Blow the whistle.
Keep going.
Yep. Oh, he was an offside, man. He didn't call the offside, but he was a TK too.
I think there was a little bit of a push there.
He's out there.
Good work, Evan.
Yeah. Come on, Purple. Go out.
No, it's not gonna go. Down the line. Evan, down the line.
Hard.
Oh,
Oh.
Nice guy.
All right, guys. Looking good. Keep it up, Snowstorm. Look live, Ed. Great, guys.
Quick, Gray. Get ready. People get ready. Quick.
Go, big throw. Big throw, man.
Good.
Get ready, defense.
Get in there. Go out. Keep it up. Good, Maximilian. Nice.
Get it out of there.
Go, Maximilian. Go in.
Nice pass.
Go, Hamish. Go. Quick.
Hamish, go Benji.